Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop microwave ovens on the market for their true quality. Whether you're on a budget or looking for premium features, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven. This budget-friendly microwave is perfect for consumers who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. With a compact 0.7 cubic feet capacity and 700 watts of power, it's great for small households or dorm rooms. The 6 cooking presets, including options for popcorn, pizza, and beverages, make it super convenient for everyday use. Plus, the Eco mode allows you to save power when the microwave isn't in use, and the mute button ensures quiet operation, ideal for late-night snacking without waking up the household. In terms of design, the Chefman microwave sports a sleek black finish that blends well with modern kitchen decor. Its digital control panel is intuitive, making it easy to customize cooking times and power levels. The child safety lock adds an extra layer of security, especially in homes with young kids. And let's not forget the easy-to-clean exterior and dishwasher-safe turntable, which make maintenance a breeze. While the Chefman microwave offers exceptional value for its price, the smaller capacity and lower wattage might not suit larger households or heavy-duty cooking tasks. It's best for reheating leftovers, making quick snacks, and prepping smaller meals. Overall, this microwave is a steal for $64.99, offering solid functionality and a compact design at an unbeatable price. Coming in at rank number 4 is the BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 digital microwave oven. Known for its durability and ease of use, this microwave offers a solid balance of affordability and functionality. With 700 watts of power and a 0.7 cubic feet capacity, it's compact yet effective, perfect for small kitchens or office spaces. It features pre-programmed buttons for popular options like popcorn, pizza, and frozen vegetables, making meal prep effortless. The 30-second express cooking button is a handy addition for quick tasks. Design-wise, the microwave has a stainless steel exterior that gives it a premium look while being easy to clean. The push-button door release provides seamless access, and the LED digital display offers a clear view of settings and timers. The removable 10-inch glass turntable and interior light make monitoring your food during cooking simple. Furthermore, the child safety lock ensures peace of mind for families with kids. While the BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 isn't the most powerful option out there, its compact size and straightforward features make it a reliable choice for basic cooking and reheating needs. It's not the best option for larger dishes or intricate cooking, but at $89.99, it offers durable performance and a sleek design for smaller scale use. A great pick for those looking for a trusted brand at a reasonable price point. At rank number 3, we have the Farberware Countertop Microwave, a versatile option that's perfect for apartments and dorm rooms. With a 1.1 cubic feet capacity and 1,000 watts of power, this microwave is a step up in both size and performance. It offers 10 power levels and multi-stage cooking options, so you can tailor your cooking process for everything from defrosting to preparing full meals. The 6 one-touch settings for items like popcorn, potatoes, and pizza make it highly convenient for everyday use. In terms of design, the Farberware microwave has a stainless steel exterior that's both stylish and durable. The LED display is bright and easy to read, and the interior lighting lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks. The child safety lock adds an extra layer of security, making it suitable for families. Additionally, its easy-to-clean interior and exterior ensure it stays looking good as new with minimal effort. At just over 20 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move. The Farberware microwave is a fantastic choice for users who want a slightly larger cooking capacity and powerful performance. However, Its price point of $129.99 makes it slightly less budget-friendly than some of the other options on this list. That said, the robust features and sleek design make it worth the investment for those looking for mid-range quality and reliability. Ranking at number 2 is the Toshiba ML-EM09PA-BS small microwave oven. This compact yet powerful microwave is perfect for apartments and smaller kitchens. With 900 watts of power and a 0.9 cubic feet capacity, it strikes a balance between size and functionality. The 6 auto menus make it user-friendly, offering preset options for popcorn, pizza, potatoes, and more. Additionally, the one-touch start feature allows you to quickly heat food for up to 6 minutes, while the defrost function caters to frozen items. The design is sleek with a black stainless steel finish that complements modern kitchen aesthetics. The 10.6-inch removable turntable fits a variety of dish sizes, and the LED display is bright and easy to navigate. The 2-step child lock ensures safety, and the mute mode is ideal for quiet operation, especially in shared living spaces. The compact dimensions make it easy to fit into tight spaces, and the lightweight design makes it easy to move. While this microwave is slightly smaller than some competitors, its thoughtful features and advanced safety options make it an excellent pick for households prioritizing convenience and style. At $106.64, it offers solid performance and premium design without straying into high-end pricing. A great option for small to mid-size families or renters looking for reliability and versatility. And finally, taking the top spot at rank number 1 is the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS countertop microwave oven. This premium microwave offers a large 1.2 cubic feet capacity and 1,000 watts of power, making it perfect for families and serious home chefs. What sets this microwave apart is its smart humidity sensor, which ensures perfect cooking results for foods like pizza, potatoes, and veggies. With 12 auto menus, you'll have preset options for nearly every meal type, saving you time and guesswork in the kitchen. The design is as impressive as its features. The black stainless steel exterior looks sophisticated and is easy to clean, while the 12.4-inch removable turntable accommodates larger dishes, like a 12-inch pizza. The practical control panel includes a large digital display, and the mute function is a thoughtful touch for quiet operation. The Eco mode adds energy efficiency, which is a nice bonus for environmentally conscious users. At 34.6 pounds, it's a bit heavier, but that's a testament to its sturdy build quality. Priced at $148.61, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS is the most expensive option on this list, but for good reason. Its combination of large capacity, advanced features, and sleek design makes it the best overall countertop microwave oven. If you're looking for premium performance and value for money, this microwave is the ultimate choice for your kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect countertop microwave oven for your needs. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.